as long as the model is glued enough. The biggest advantage of the Goldinch platform is that after the platform cools down, the model is very easy to take off. And then we can go ahead and print again. But yesterday we used this material. This model is hard to take off. And then we reset the FM. It's just that it's not so flattened when printing the first layer. So let's take the model now and look at it. Still tight. So we got it. This consumable is inherently tighter. But I believe this time I don't have to heat the hot bed. Can give it. Can break down. Last time we heated the hot bed to 80 degrees. Take it off. This time we'll try it with a utility knife. It's not easy to pry it up. The disadvantage of using a utility knife is that it is easy to scratch this platform. But as long as the model is sticky enough, be careful when using a utility knife. Otherwise, this kind of accident will happen in an instant. Be very careful.
Take my